I was not expecting that. I thought you were going to do Deadpool. I heard someone talking about Deadpool and didn't know who it was. So when you didn't want to tell, I thought maybe that was you. No one ever wants to tell what they're getting when it's a scary one, right? They're like, I'm not telling, because then someone will be like, no. Right? Yeah. Better to not tell.
What do you want to do? Not telling you. Huh?
I told someone Santa Claus.
I'm gonna. Boy, are they gonna be disappointed. Don't squeeze. Don't squeeze. Good. Good. Let me dry it. There's a new Terminator movie coming out.
It's out.
It's already out. Oh, okay. Behind the times here. Is it any good? Anybody seen it?
No, I seen the commercial.
You saw the commercial?
Yeah.
I'm sure it's good. I mean, how could it not be?
Next, só daqui no cuido. Waited for so long.
They say youngest to oldest, so I think I'm younger than you.
I waited too long.
Oh, Kelsa, is that you?
No, it's the Terminator.
We're gonna be busy really quick. Yeah. Small.
I don't know.
And the butterfly, those.
How much you teaching them? 루나치. 뭐 주제지 지금 내가 맞아 원래 오면지. This one looks like a crown. This one's crown with a star. I think you go with the yellow. Yeah, we'll do it.
빼고 좀 가지다.
And the table.
빼면 동생.
Oh my God, Kelsa. You better not show your little sister that. Or she's gonna be crying. With the Darth Vader. With the Darth Vader. With the molding.
There's a Deadpool.
No. Over the Deadpool's over there. No, that's a Darth Vader.
You know I do Darth Vader, but now you're telling me. It's not a Darth Vader.
Yeah, that's for Star Wars.
No, that is. Maria.
That's Darth Vader. The other one too. Yes, there is. What's the name? What is it using?
Darth Vader called it up.
You can get Darth
You put your laser eyes on.
Yeah.
Don't open while I'm putting your laser eyes on. What size? Okay, sweetie.